These are the items for DIY packing chicken toy. We have this template here, right? Laser cut. I think we can later we are supposed to push all these items out. This is this will act as a weight. It's a ball now with a hole through, a long string, 6 metal pins, and 12 of these plastic clamps. Is supposed to fix the pin in position later. So these are the items that you should have. Let's take all these parts out first. So basically there'll be small little joints here. What we need to do is just break them. Right? This is the joint, break them, right? And they'll come out. So do that for all, and we'll have all the parts out. You will get this out of this blade. You have this round base blade, 4 little chicken, 4 of this blade without holes, and 8 of this blade with holes. Now when you are removing this small little thing out of the base plate, you may get some little thorns like that, right? So take a sandpaper and just rub them away, so the thorns will be shown here also. Use the same sandpaper to remove the thorns, so when you fix them will be safer. Yes, small little thorns, right? Then we are ready to go. Next step, right? Turn the plate to this part with rice grains here. So get one of these without hole and slot it here, right? I'll suggest before you start everything, get a hammer that or anything that is heavy and flat, so that you can tap this part into the hole very lightly, right? Get something that is a firm base and tap them in, and then slot this inside. This one with 2 holes, slot it inside here, and then also tap in with a hammer, right? And then one more of this with holes, put it here and tap in with the hammer, and do that for all 4. This will be the effect, right? So when all the holes will be filled up except 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, then now let's prepare the string. To prepare the string, first thing we do is we have this long string, half it, right? Then half it again, like that. Okay, this half we shall tie a knot like this, a simple knot. Like that. Okay, and then for this part we'll need the scissors to cut it, then push through this hole, right? Now this is what we get, just cut, then all this 4 string, force it through this hole, yep, and this ball will rest here. Okay, remember the hole that we have here. Now each string will go through the hole here, right? Then comes out from here. This is what you will get. The ball is right behind, and then this 4 string. Okay, then now for each string you shall tie it to this little chicken, the hole right at the back, not the, this is hole 1, this is hole 2, right? Tie to hole 2 and tie a simple date knot will do. Now let me show you how to tie the knot. Right, if you, the simple knot is like this, push it through the last hole, remember? Then what you need to do is just tie one simple date knot here. Right, just tie one date knot here. Don't let this leaf, the end here be too long. Do the same for the rest. If it's too long, I think we have to cut away. Right, as long as you can do this will do. And do for all the four chicken. Now, once the knot is done, right, now it's easy. Take one of this pin, push one of this clamps here. Right, this is to fix the position of the chicken. So push through here, right, goes through the hole and goes through the other side of the hole. Take another one, push and fix the position. Now take note, there's going to be some, make sure that this is not too tight, right, because of this string. Now the string given to us is slightly too, I would think it's slightly too thick, so it may cause some friction here, right, between the string and this end here. There may be some friction, so try to give them space so that it can actually move away. And do that for all the 4. Okay, so when you first time play with this thing, most probably you may find that some of the chicken doesn't move so well, so you must adjust the knot here so that it doesn't touch the side. Right, let me show you. Okay, so we have all these 4 little chicken, and then the ball is here. Then we will spin it. You can see that this one is not doing too much. He did peck, but not too much. The rest are good. So if you see here, can you see the string? Right, there's a small little jam here. So we may need to adjust it. Right, or alternatively, what you can do is add little some more weight here. Right, for me, let me show you this. I have a weight that has a hook, but what you need to do is just add some weight that's slightly heavier. Then the force to cause them to move will be higher. You can see all moving quite well already.